Infiniti FX45. Okay, so that's what the engine looks like at this time. So we're going to do the water pump. We're going to remove the fan first and the belt, and then we'll get to the water pump. So let's begin. We're going to drain the coolant, make sure the engine is completely cold. There you go. And remove that pulley as well. And here is the pump. It was leaking. New pump comes with a paper gasket versus the metal. I believe it's the original. And get the bolts on. Next, install the pulley. Then we drop in the cooling fan. You can install the belt. I will include the diagram. The water pumping is done. Coolant is filled. We're going to start the engine. We'll let the car warm up. At this time it's cold, so at this time we'll wait for the engine to warm up. Water pump is installed.